All right, now we're gonna learn how to throw the lead body shot. So if I'm a righty, it's my left. If I'm a lefty, it's my right, whatever arm is in front. That lead body shot, that is number 5 in our punch system. So the same way you would throw the hook, where you're gonna load up to turn in, we're gonna do the exact same motion. Notice that when Henry he loads first, and then when he turns and throws the punch, look at the angle of his body. We're gonna do the exact same thing. The only thing is now he's coming low. He's gonna hit me to the body. So the setup is exactly the same. We just changed the angle of the punch. And then also when you hit, you want that thumb to be pointed up. So a left to the body, he's gonna turn, pop, left to the body, pop. Every time you hit, same idea, pop, right back. So it's gonna look, ooh, sorry. It's gonna look like this on the heavy bag. Notice the shoulder, pop. He's always gonna load, his hand stays high, and he makes that letter C the same way we did on the one side. I'm doing the same thing on the other side to build that rotation and momentum and come upward with my punch. That is a lead body shot.